So you see here on top, besides the client and the app, now also the project is selected, and this is the one where I've come from the project's overview. And here you see that within this project or within this campaign, several Wonder pages have been created, and you see now the same figures as you have seen before on the project's overview, now for the selected project, and you see those figures for the list of Wonder pages. And you clearly see which of the Wonder pages in your project, in your campaign, has performed best. In our case, it's this version 1 of this Christmas card 2018. And again, here you can select the figure in the table, and you will see in that case, the view behavior over time on the bottom of the screen. And also here an overlay is possible, so you can compare version 1 with version 2, and you see the difference in the behavior. And if you deselect, then the graph disappears, and you can just simply select another figure on top, so for example the scans, and you see there's a similar behavior as with the views. Of course, every Wonder page contains certain items, so augmentations or just content types that are displayed, and some where you can interact with, for example a button or a video which you can play. And if you want to drill down further from a specific Wonder page, you can either go to the augmentations level or to the interactions level. So let's go first to the augmentations level, and you see here there's just one video, so that's maybe not so interesting. Let's step up again, and let's take the version 2, hoping that there are a little bit more augmentations available. Now it's also only just a video, so maybe let's deselect the project level and switch to all projects, and now you see aggregated per content type and per Wonder page type how many content items you have and what is the total weight, the total size of all those items that fall under this category. So you see in the first example, the content type is images, Wonder page type is AR Create. So you have 275 images in all your Create Wonder pages, and in total they have a size from nearly 16 megabyte. And if you scroll down a little bit, you have the same information, again images, but now for the AR Tile Wonder page type, you see you have just used one image, and this one is very small, it's half a megabyte. You can of course drill down here again or see more information, so you can click one item from the list, and then you see some detailed information on the right. So you see really all the items. So here you just see the number, and on the right then you see the full list of items. You see detailed information where the item occurs, where it is used, what is the size of the item, and also here you get some first insights into some actions that have been taken on that specific augmentation or on that specific content. And you see here it says 275 content items, and here you see the list goes also from 1 to 275. Let's choose another one. Let's switch to the video category. Maybe here we have some interaction, or maybe it was 3D. Yes, you see here for the 3D category, we have here a 3D object, Santa Reindeer, and this object has been played 3 times, so it's an animated content. And if you click on, for example, the play figure here in the table, again you see in the table on the bottom when this action has been performed on that content or on that augmentation element. And if you now want to look just specifically on the interactions, so for example the buttons, then you select the category of interactions, and you see here all the augmentations, not only the buttons, but all the augmentations where any kind of interaction is possible. So for example, the YouTube videos that have been played, or the 3D elements where users have interacted. Then of course the list of buttons. So everything is showing up here, and you see the number of events, the number of interactions. And if you select here the interaction, so for the YouTube video it was the play event, then you see on the right side the behavior or the usage of that YouTube video in the graph, again for the selected time period. Unfortunately, we don't have any link interactions here, but if there were some specific links, then you would see the list of links here in this screen part here on the lower left corner. And again, you could select a link and you would see how many people have clicked the link in the specific time period.